If you're shopping for a used Honda CRV, one of the biggest questions is simple. Which model years are actually the most reliable? The Honda CRV has earned a strong reputation over the years for being practical, fuel efficient, and easy to live with. But not every CRV is equal when it comes to long-term dependability. Some years stand out for their proven powertrains, lower repair costs, and strong owner satisfaction, while others are better avoided, more carefully inspected before buying. So, let's go on the list. Number 5, 2023 and newer Honda CRV, 6th generation. Rounding out the top 5 is the 2023 and newer Honda CRV, which represents Honda's latest generation of the popular SUV. This version builds on everything Honda has learned over the years. It features updated styling, a more upscale interior, improved technology, and available hybrid powertrains that make it even more efficient for daily driving. Because these models are still relatively new, long-term reliability data is not as extensive as it is for older generations. However, early owner feedback has been very positive, and Honda has a strong history of improving its vehicles with each new generation. The 6th generation CRV also benefits from modern safety technology, better ride quality, and a more refined driving experience. For buyers who want a newer SUV with the latest features and strong fuel economy, this generation is a very appealing choice. That said, if your top priority is proven long-term reliability over the next 10 to 15 years, older generations like the 2015 or 2010-2011 CRV still have the edge simply because they have more real-world history behind them. Number 4. We have the 2005 and 2006 Honda CRV, which are often praised by Honda enthusiasts for their simplicity and durability. These model years belong to the 2nd generation and are powered by Honda's legendary K24 2.4-liter engine, a motor known for its long life and strong reliability record. This engine has been used in many Honda and Acura vehicles and has proven itself over and over again. What makes the 2005-2006 CRV so appealing is how straightforward it is. There are fewer complicated electronics, fewer expensive systems to worry about, and a mechanical setup that is easy to maintain. For buyers who want a no-nonsense SUV that can keep running for years, this generation is a great option. These CRVs are also known for solid resale value and low ownership costs. Even though they are older now, many well-maintained examples are still on the road and performing well. That says a lot about Honda's engineering during this era. The main thing to watch for is age-related wear. Since these vehicles are now older, suspension components, rubber seals, and interior materials may show their age. But from a reliability standpoint, the 2005-2006 CRV remains one of the best older compact SUVs you can buy. Number 3 are the 2019 through 2022 Honda CRV, 5th generation. At number 3 are the 2019 through 2022 Honda CRV models, which bring modern technology and strong reliability together in one package. These years are part of the 5th generation, and they benefit from several years of refinement. Honda improved software, updated components, and addressed many of the concerns that appeared in earlier turbocharged models. As a result, these CRVs have become a much more attractive option for buyers who want something newer without sacrificing dependability. One of the biggest highlights is the available 1.5-liter turbocharged engine, which delivers excellent fuel economy and strong everyday performance. When maintained correctly, this engine can be very reliable, especially in later model years where Honda made improvements to reduce issues seen in earlier versions. These CRVs also come with more advanced safety and technology features, including Honda sensing driver assist systems, updated infotainment, and a more refined interior layout. That makes them a great option for families or commuters who want modern convenience along with long-term value. Of course, because these are newer vehicles, they may still cost more on the used market than older CRVs. But if your budget allows it, the 2019-2022 CRV offers a very appealing mix of reliability, efficiency, and comfort. At number 2, we have the 2010 and 2011 Honda CRV, which represent the final years of the third generation. These model years are especially popular with used buyers because Honda had already worked through many of the early production issues from this generation. That means you're getting a more refined and dependable SUV with a proven powertrain and fewer surprises. Like many of Honda's best vehicles, the 2010 to 2011 CRV is powered by a durable 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine that has earned a reputation for lasting a very long time when maintained properly. The automatic transmission in these models is also known for being solid, and the overall mechanical setup is simple enough to keep ownership costs reasonable. Another reason these years rank so highly is their practicality. The cabin is roomy, visibility is excellent, and the cargo area is very usable for families, commuters, and road trips. While the interior may not feel as modern as newer CRVs, it makes up for that with simplicity and durability. These models are also a favorite among budget-conscious buyers because they often cost less than newer generations while still offering excellent reliability. If you want a dependable SUV without paying a premium, the 2010 to 2011 CRV is a smart choice. Number 1 is the 2015 Honda CRV, and for many buyers, this is the sweet spot. This model year is widely considered one of the most reliable CRVs ever built. It uses Honda's proven 2.4-liter iVTEC four-cylinder engine, which has a strong track record for durability and low maintenance costs. The engine is paired with a continuously variable transmission, or CVT, that is smoother and more refined than earlier Honda transmissions, especially when properly maintained. One of the biggest reasons the 2015 CRV ranks so highly is that it strikes an excellent balance between modern features and long-term dependability. You get good fuel economy, a comfortable ride, a spacious cabin, and a practical cargo area, without the complexity that can sometimes hurt reliability in newer vehicles. Owners also appreciate that this generation is relatively inexpensive to maintain. Routine services like oil changes, brake work, and fluid replacements are straightforward, and replacement parts are widely available. With proper care, many 2015 CRVs can easily go beyond 250,000 miles. If you're looking for the best all-around used CRV, the 2015 model is one of the safest bets you can make. And there you have it. Our ranking of the best Honda CRV model years by reliability. If you want the safest overall choice, the 2015 Honda CRV stands out as the best balance of durability, comfort, and value. If you're looking for a more affordable used option, the 2010, 2011, and 2005, 2006 CRVs are excellent picks. And if you prefer something newer with updated technology and safety features, the 2019 to 2022 and 2023 present models are still very strong choices. No matter which generation you choose, the Honda CRV continues to be one of the smartest used SUV purchases on the market, thanks to its reputation for reliability, practicality, and low ownership costs. Now, we want to hear from you. Which Honda CRV model year would you buy? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more reliability rankings, used car buying guides, and automotive reviews from Drive Explained.